We have a problem here that deals with phasors and average power, RMS voltages. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. Alright, so what are we given here? We're given a sinusoidal voltage, right, with a maximum voltage of 50 and then 28 as well. That's applied across a 5 ohm resistor, and the question is to calculate the average power. So first of all, what's the formula for average power in accordance with this particular problem? Because we are given here V and R, so eventually, because there are different formulas for power, right? But in this case, we want to apply the formula of P equals V squared over R, because we have all the parameters here. We have V, we have R. Now this voltage over here, there's the RMS value of the voltage. So we have to calculate the magnitude of the voltage and then take the RMS value of that. So we have here that VRMS is equal to Vmax over square root of 2. We all know that, all right? But here we have the maximum voltage cosine plus. So you have to convert it into a phasor. We have to convert that as a phasor, and we have to convert this as a phasor as well, right? So we have the total voltage, and to convert this, we'll have 50. Because of that angle, it'll be 45. So you have to apply the 45 angle here. If we had minus sign here, it would have been minus sign here as well. So that's the maximum voltage over square root of 2 plus, there's no angle here, so the phasor is 28, 0 angle divided by square root of 2. VRMS, simple math from here, complex numbers, plug it into your calculator, straight into your calculator. You don't have to even try to figure this out on your own. You can though by hand manually, but that's going to take you forever. So this came out to be, straight from the calculator, we have 51 and some changes, but I'm just going to take 51 to make it easier, simple, and with an angle of 29 degrees. Alright, so now we can take the RMS value of this voltage, which is 51, and go here and plug it into our formula in order to get the average power. So P is equal to 51 squared over the resistance value is 5, so 51 squared over 5, and that's equal to 530. So this is our final answer. So let me see here. The challenging part of it here is recognizing that you have to convert this into, don't even try to manipulate the cosine and whatnot. So quickly recognize that you have to convert this into a phasor. So this angle here would be this angle here. So you have to carry the sign as well and calculate the RMS voltage, and then take the magnitude of that and square it and divide that by your ohm. So that's essentially what it is here. So you may see these kind of problems in the exam as well. So make sure you recognize how to convert it into a phasor, and then go on with your calculation depending on what the question is.